Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We will present her about explicit information from Islamic banking text. The member of the group, Brigita Aprilia, Cecilia Octavia, Karisa Wijayanti. Definition of written information. Sentence is a collection of words that have a large paragraph in a predicate. A collection of sentences that are related to us other will from a paragraph. A few paragraphs will make up a reading. Written information is information that is clearly written in the writing text and understand the meaning contained in the news text of certainly text. According in the Big Indonesia Dictionary, written can be interpreted as having been written, destined, or explicit. Explicit mean clear, frank, and uncomplicated. Explicit information from a reading can be obtained directly through reading. Unexplicit sentence is a type of sentence whose meaning in the straightforward or clear. The information provided is in writing is given in accordance with what is written. Written information is usually written directly in the information or text. Definition of written information. The explicit meaning in the clear meaning in a phrase. For example, it rained heavily in Bogor yesterday afternoon. The explicit meaning is that the city of Bogor had rained yesterday afternoon. For explicit information, it can usually be associated with the 5W plus 1H element, namely what, when, where, who, why, and how, which are the elements that make up the text.
B. Characteristic of explicit information. Information that explains everything directly. There is nothing to cover up or hide. Explicit information is presented clearly without further ado. Is a type of information that usually a standard word. C. How to get explicit information. Look very accurate information. Easy to understand. Record important information in the text. Read carefully. D. Examples of written information. 1. This week we are starting to enter the rainy season. We must not be careless about the negative impact that accompanies it. Diseases lurk all around us, taking advantage of our negligence in keeping the environment clean. So don't forget to get rid of objects in the yard that can be flooded with rainwater, such as cans, bottles, or other plastic container. Don't give mosquitoes a chance to breed. If one day our house is flooded, immediately clean the house from the rest of the flood. Be aware flow water contaminated with red urine will spread dangerous diseases. The explicit information from the text. Prepare the environment to avoid flooding during the rainy season, because from the reading there is information. If one day our house is flooded, immediately clean the house from the remnants of the flood. This condition is the same as preparing the environment to avoid flooding during the rainy season. 2. I was sad when you left her. 3. I have no food to eat. Lydia likes watching movie on her cold phone. Different in express and implied information. Explicit information can be referred to as explicit information, while implied information can be referred to as implicit information. The main difference between explicit and implied information lies in how to find meaning or message in a text. In explicit information, the meaning or message can be found directly in the text, while the implied information, meaning or message can only be found after reading the entire content of the text.
Difference in express and implicit information. Definition: explicit meaning or message can be found directly in the text. Implicit meaning or message can only be obtained after reading the entire text. Asli explicit information is as in academic or other field. Implicit information is asset in the literature. Ambiguity: explicit information cannot cause ambiguity because it is conveyed directly. Implicit information usually creates ambiguity. A meaning contains primary meaning because it directly asks words that are directly related in the text. Implicit contains a secondary meaning because it is necessary to find out the true meaning. As in literary works, there's of explicit information in literary works in really as implicit. The as of implicit information is often as in literary works. Example conversation. Teller: hello mom, can I help you? Customer: I want to open a new savings account. Teller: what type of saving do you want? Customer: what kind of account do you recommend? Teller: for standard as we have two types of account, saving accounts. Customer: can you explain to me the pros and cons? Teller: a deposit account is a type of account where you can withdraw and you can withdraw. Teller: ATM machines or internet banking. Will a saving account in a type of account that is not intended for everyday use. You must keep your money in the account for a certain period of time. Of course, your saving can earn interest over time. Customer: I think I open both accounts. Teller: will to open this two account, you need to deposit a minimum account of $50. Customer: I want to deposit $500. Teller: that's great. Now can I borrow your ID card? You can fill out this form. Will I open your account? Customer: here it is. Teller: let me open the account for you. Customer: great, okay. A question. Number 1. What is meant by explicit information? Number 2. Mention the characteristic of written information. Number 3. How to get express information. Number 4. Mention the difference between express and implicit information.
Maybe that's what we can convey regarding the explicit information material from the Islamic backing text. That now hope it's useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.